Hello, welcome. We are gonna make a painting video with your favorite wine aunt, Becky. Today is inspired by the Cardboardo, the Malbec that's in a box upstairs in this very cute paint pour wine glass that I made. Isn't that pretty? Cheers, everyone. Today, we're gonna do something a little spooky. I know y'all are feeling spooky for the season of the ween, and we're gonna do a ghost. Not just any ghost, this ghost. So, this is my canvas, 16 by 20. You can use 11 by 14. You can fit this guy on anything. Make him a tall, skinny ghost. Make him a short, little chubby ghost. Whatever canvas you have, it's gonna work. I'm gonna draw it first. So, you can use a Sharpie. That's what I'm gonna use. You can use a pencil. That way if you mess up, you can erase. If I mess up, I'm not gonna be able to erase, so. Okay. It's also brought to you by, yep. All right. So, the bottom's gonna be the whole darn thing, and it's gonna be wavy. Can I see a wave? The top is gonna be round. All right, you can find the middle like this. It's hard. There it is, there's the middle. I'm gonna put a little dot. Does this have ink? Oh, I'm gonna stand in this for, so I'm gonna stand in front of this for a second. Do you see that? It probably would have been easier if I just flipped it the other way and was like, draw a U. So flip it the other way and draw a U. And then I want you to connect this with a little wavy line, okay? As far down, I'm gonna go as far as I can. And then, ooh, ooh, ooh. Now, the hands and the eyes. All right, I am gonna do that with pencil first. Hold on. Back with a Sharpie. Okay, I did some pencil for you, so then all you have to do is do what I'm about to do with Sharpie, okay? It's really easy. They're just little lines. Anyone can do some little lines. Even you. Okay, first little line is this hot dog shape. All right, and then a symmetrical hot dog shape on both sides of each hot dog. A little bump. You have cock and balls. You are on the right track. A little bump here. A little bump here. And then we're going to frowny face it together. Yes, we are. Frowny face it together. Look at those hands. So those are the hands. And now we're gonna do the sleeves. See how I kind of drape like that? That's the drape we're gonna do. So just do an oval. And then there's like a little bit of ghost arm inside. All you do is a little swoop. A little swoop. Look at how cute it is. Go ahead and draw your eyes in. Just ovals. I can see in my camera that mine aren't straight. And I don't think I care. All right, so we're gonna go around it. She's still gonna be cute. Symmetry's for tools. What else we got? Let's do the background. Any color you want. Any color you want. I'm gonna do blue because I have a lot of blue paint. That's literally the only reason. So for today's painting exercise, you will need one large brush, one small brush, paper towels, water, and inspiration. And paint. So background color, whatever color you want, white, black, and like some pink or red or something. You'll see why. Okay. I am going to start with my blue background and my big old brush. Grab your big old brush. And we're going to put a whole bunch of paint on here. Oh gosh. That's a lot of paint. No. Why are you that way? There we go. There we go. You're fine. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. There's no wrong way to do art. Except that the way that you just did it. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. I do not know how to maintain control when I'm painting, so I'm kind of just like fixing stuff. Some of it just needs a little more paint, that's all. I like to use this brush. See how you can turn it skinny? Any flat brush is going to give you a really nice edge. Here, I'll show you. Here, I'll show you. Look. I didn't even do it right. Look. Isn't that delightful? Great brush. Ooh. The good thing about art is you can't really mess up. But if you do, you can just give it to your mom because your mom loves everything. They'll be like, oh, how old is he? You'll be like 40. How's that? Is that okay? Does that look all right? It does to me. Rinsing, rinsing, rinsing. That's so pretty. Look at it. I kind of want to drink it. I won't. We can paint this whole darn guy white first. You don't have to worry about the Sharpie. It'll pop through. Whew. Whew. All right, I'm just gonna paint him. See how it'll pop through? Magic. I told you. You never believed me, but I told you. I'm just waiting to hit that edge until the end and giving that blue a little bit of time to dry. Otherwise, you're gonna get some blue or background color in that white. You don't want that yet. Not yet. And I just keep going over the same spots because it's white and I can't tell. So now I'm gonna take that skinny direction I showed you with the brush and really cut into that line and try not to get too much blue into my white ghost. Now if I get blue into the white and I don't want it there, all you gotta do, take that brush away from the canvas, rinse him, grab more white, go right over it. It's fine. Anything that is messed up, can dry and we can paint over it. Psh, don't worry. Oh, my bones. So, if I would stop touching the canvas, which I can't do, we should walk away from the brush. And we gotta let this dry, okay? We'll be back. How's that, my friends? How is it? Is it dry? Now's the fun part. So I'm really excited. What am I supposed to do? I am feeling unorganized. I thought I was prepared, but alas, I am not prepared. Let's see, what are we doing? So I had you get that little bit of pink or whatever. Okay. Pink is red. It's also white. That's a lot. Red goes a super long way, fast. Because we don't want it too bright. We're gonna do some cheekies. Jeez Louise. Look. Now, do you see it? Okay. I just did a little circle, but I cut it out like where the eye and that finger would be, and then just fill it in around just like a coloring book. That's all. You can do it. You've done much harder stuff than this. Holding my brush like a pencil for the most control. If you want the least control, you hold it out here. Blah, 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 blah. You want the most control, like a pencil. Also, if you mess up, like, nobody really knows what a ghost finger looks like. So, like, you could be like, that's what ghost fingers look like. Cute. I don't know. Okay. I'm rinsing that pink out of my round brush. If you want, you can outline the whole darn thing in black. If your Sharpie didn't pop through and you want it to, I'm going to. I like the look of it. That's what I'm going to do right now. The more you can do in one stroke, the easier it'll be. So try to avoid like this business. Gross. Oh. And I keep my brush pretty loaded. You see I'm dipping all the time. It's so much harder to paint with a scrapey stick. So try some paint. Okay, fully outlined. Congratulations. Let's outline the eyes, the hands. Let's do that. Pro tip, if you make this face, you can do skinnier lines easier. I'm gonna fill in those eyes. Here I go. Outline the hands. We are gonna make her cuter. I gotta put eyelashes on. I just have to. A little comma shape. It's just a comma. Comma. Next, I'm gonna fill in those sleeves with black. Focus. It's so bright. That's gonna be like a 5-minute painting. Just give her like a little bit of that line on the robe. So if this is my shirt again, it's like this. Just this little outer edge. Just fake it till you make it. It'll look fine. See how I even like picked up my brush a little bit? So it wouldn't look perfect. So stop trying to make it perfect. It's already perfect. You're perfect too. It's good. It's like the inside, but we need the drapiness, because she's a ghost. Just some lines down. See how loose and free? Ain't no thing I did. You can do it. Another one. Do a little. Okay, how about over here? Don't go all the way down yet. Just doing lines and saying ch. That's it. I feel like that's her cleavage, and I'm here for it. Let's make it better. So just a few that kind of follow the bottom of the ghost. Here we go. Two last things, and then you're done. And you can hang this up and be so proud of yourself. I'm proud of you. You did something completely different, hopefully, than you've ever done before. Bravery is so exciting. I'm gonna add just a little spice with the back of my brush into white. And we're gonna do dot, 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 1, 2, and then the same spot on the other side. Dot, dot, 1, 2, she cute, she cute. And we're done. That is a brush drop, my friends. Good job, you painted the fuck off ghost.